Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram messages. When you start a conversation on Instagram, it functions much like it does on most other social media platforms. You can swiftly write and send messages, discuss interesting content such as the AI image trend found on Instagram, and more. However, it's easy to make a misstep. Grammatically, errors can occur as easily as poor judgment calls, and you may find yourself needing to know how to delete a message on Instagram. If you want to delete a single message rather than an entire conversation, it's very easy to do so on the Instagram mobile app. You can delete only your message, not those sent by another user on Instagram. First, open Instagram and tap the Messenger button in the top right to access your inbox. Find the conversation containing the message you want to delete and open it. Tap and hold the message you want to remove. A bar will appear at the bottom. Press Unsend to delete the message from the conversation. After you unsend a message, it won't show up in the chat anymore from both perspectives. However, remember that the people you sent it to might have already seen it. Now, to delete chats on Instagram, if deleting a single message won't cut it, you may want to delete an entire conversation. While this is entirely possible and easy, all of the messages within will remain intact. You are only deleting the chat from your inbox, which will not unsend all of your messages within the conversation. It will appear as though nothing has changed at all from the other person's point of view. To delete chat on Instagram, follow these steps. Press the Messenger button to enter your Instagram inbox. From there, swipe left or tap the message or conversation you want to delete. Select Delete from the pop-up menu, and Instagram will ask you to confirm. Now, tap Delete once again to confirm. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.